If peace had a snooze button, I'd press it.
Rise and shine, sunshine.
More like rise and regret.
That's not part of my playlist.
Adventure detected.
Or breakfast yelling.
Oh no, look! Shh! Easy there, little one. Dr. Mitt reporting for duty.
Patient's tiny, but paperwork's big. Comfort first, lecture later. She blinked. That's a yes.
You'll be okay.
Operation Cozy commenced. Subtlety, optional, I see.
I work with passion.
Vitamin delivered.
Excellent. Add it to the bill.
Bill.
The bird's name now.
Pretty cures faster.
Science at its finest.
Wing status. 30% operational.
Better than my motivation.
She's trusting us.
We're trustworthy. Mostly.
Easy now. Don't rush it.
Flight check in 3, 2.
Good pilot.
First class.
Congratulations, I'm a perch. Fashionable one.
Look at her go.
Sky's lucky today.
Thank you.
Souvenir? Proof we did something right.
We're heroes.
Unpaid ones.
Breakfast delivery.
Finally, the true reward.
Hero fuel.
Mitt, next time, let's rescue pancakes. Already prepared emotionally.